brother and I own this, Jack and I. So, and our dad was always in the business, owned service stations, and we both been in the business our whole life. We're kind of, I like to say, kind of like the old service station that used to be on the corner where you used to live. This is something I always wanted to do, and I kept calling Jack, and finally one day he just called me and said, "Hey, are you still interested?" I said, "Absolutely." We've been open a little over 19 years now. I'm probably an oddity because I really love cars. So we've done this from the ground up we started with nothing and turned it into what it is today. Probably 75% of our customers are women. Their husbands work for corporations. They're out of town all the time. So they're in charge of bringing the vehicles in, making the decisions. This business has a bad enough reputation as it is for being dishonest. And we treated everybody like we would treat our mother. 99% of our advertising is word of mouth. So, and when you put out a good product, people come. We probably hire different than most people. We hire people for our culture, not necessarily for their ability. The final interview is with our employees. We'll send them all to lunch. Our longest guy's been here probably 17 years. This is our family. We spend all our time together here. We do what we say we're going to do, and I know everybody says that. But we have over 700 Google reviews with a 4.8. We have some that are not as happy as others. Do the best we can to eliminate whatever made them unhappy. You know, if you haven't been here, just give us a try. If you come here once, we think we can keep you.